Baby's playing on the windowsill. Not on the windowsill, but he's putting his car up. You can see he's there. There he is. Yeah, he's not on the windowsill. Yes. Yeah, he's gonna be peeping through like that for probably a while. So if you get no, my cushion cases. If you watch yesterday's vlog, the cushion cases that I got from H&M don't work. Yeah, I'm currently looking at it right now. It still doesn't work. So I've got to check my bag for the receipt. I have the receipt. I'm going to the shops, but I don't know if I'm going. If I've got a receipt. Let me figure this out. Let's see what's available online, and because I really want to change them. And also I feel like I've got too many cushions on my sofa, and it's not practical. Because when you go and sit down, you're moving around the cushions because they're disturbing you. So I feel like I've got too many on the sofa. Yeah. Yeah. Back from the shops, I picked up some Fox's milk chocolate rounds. I tasted this during Christmas time, fell in love. I gotta have this. It's 7:30 in the evening. I'm in the kitchen to get dinner ready. Today's been one of those days. It's been really like, I think I woke up since 7:30. I had someone come in to do a job. My leg is hurting. Yeah. Went to return the cushion cases. I looked in the sales section for cushions. They didn't really have any that I liked. I think I'm just going to stick to the ones that I have because they are lovely and they are from H&M and they're very unique. Not everyone has those like rose cushions that I have. So now I have, what jobs do I have to get done? Obviously dinner. The other job I have to get done is the ironing. I'm going to do a bit of editing before I go to sleep because I did nap during the day. Because I was up really early, and I napped also because I went to bed late and I was up really early. It's not a great combination. I think while I'm cooking dinner, I'm gonna get the ironing done. Yeah, she's gonna do that. Oh, and also, by the way, that's not sauce. It's lost colour. You get shirts that do that, don't you? There's a spot of colour that's just faded for some reason. Also, yeah, I'm going to take the money that I got from the cushion cases and tomorrow I'm going to the big Primark store in my area. I know she's back again in Primark. I said I wanted to stop shopping in Primark for a while, but then because of COVID-19 I was just back there. But I have been making an effort to shop in different stores. There was a dress I saw in there, two dresses. There's this other one I just saw in my local small Primark store. It's this floral one. I'm gonna get it, but you know what? I'm not going to get it full price because it's going to be autumn soon, and a lot of dresses, a lot of things are starting to go into sale. There's things in the store that have been on that have been full price for months and months. And like they've started going into sale, so I'm not gonna buy it full price. And I always notice when I buy a dress full price in Primark, I come back like a month later or 2 months later, and it's in the sale section, my size, for half the price.